Yo viewers, another phone unboxing today. Another mystery set as well. So we'll see what set this is in just a few seconds. This is going to be the Presidian telephone, the equivalent of the Uniden 1588. And this came from the Mercari. This was $12. Not too bad. But here we go again. They just throw the stuff in the box. There's not an iota of protective packaging materials in here. Like, what? Why? Why do people think this is acceptable? It's not. It's not even remotely acceptable. It looks like it didn't sustain too much damage. Fortunately, this piece of plastic is still over the screen, so that saved that at least. This is a pretty rare set. I've seen the Presidian set in the 1580 style, but I have never seen it up until now in the 1588 format. It's like they damaged the battery cover for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's probably the original battery, so I don't even know why this was ever opened. Some people try to open these with a screwdriver. I guess they don't know that you just press it down, and so they take a screwdriver and they kind of put it in there and they turn it to get it open, which is not correct. All you have to do is press the indent and it comes right off. It's very easy. Anyways, this is filthy. Through and through, this is absolutely filthy. Hopefully, I mean, there is some scuffs here and there, but hopefully this isn't too bad, and this is mostly just surface dirt on here, because I want this to clean up nicely, because this is a rare model. You can't get these too often. Looks like in this case both the base and the handset were used pretty heavily. I don't know how this cord survived. This thing looks like it just came out of the factory yesterday. Brackets there, which is good because those are kind of hard to come across. And curiously enough, it's in desk position, but this is in wall position, unless I just didn't know the difference. The antenna is a little bit not quite right. It should like snap into place, so that probably got jacked up into shipping because the adapters are like that up against it, but whatever. Dumb brains do dumb things. Anyways, so that's it for this one. It's here. It's not in good condition, and the shipping didn't help anything, but it's here. So hopefully we get this cleaned up and it'll look pretty decent.